In this video, I want to look at using an advanced filter. And the advantage of using the advanced filter is that it gives you greater flexibility in creating the filter. For example, I could query this list range here to find out how many people live in New York and have spent more than $100. So in order to set up the advanced filter, I need to have a criteria range. And often you'll find the criteria range right above the data that you're filtering. For our exercise, we actually put the criteria range in a different worksheet. And what I did to create the criteria range was copy the column headings from the web data collection worksheet and paste them in a row on the criteria worksheet because I want those column headings to be an exact match. I then selected cells A2 through J3 and named them criteria, and you'll see the reason for that in just a moment. I added the criterion that I'm looking for. On address, I want to find all of the people whose address includes the word road. And you'll notice that I use these asterisks, and those are called wildcards. There are two wildcards available. One is a question mark, which stands for a single character, and the other is the asterisk, which stands for a string of characters. So I've got my criteria set up. I'm going to go back to the web data collection worksheet, and as you can see, the web data collection, the sales data range is already selected, and if it were not, I would need to do that before I started. I will then click on Advanced in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab. It opens up the Advanced Filter dialog box, and you can see that you have two options here. One is to filter the list in place. The other is to copy the results to another location. The list range is already selected, and the criteria range is also selected automatically because I used the reserved name criteria to name my criteria range, so it inserts that automatically for me. I would then click OK, and the filter is applied, and you can see that in the address all of the results have the word road included. So that's an example of using an advanced filter to filter the data in place.